Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add a touch of creativity to your WhatsApp chats on your PC. Today, we're going to show you how to add doodles to your chat background, making your conversations even more visually appealing and fun. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once you've launched the app, you'll see a familiar interface that you might already be used to. To begin customizing your chat background, you need to access the Settings menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu that allows you to navigate through different options. Click on Settings to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Personalization option. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience, including your chat background. Click on Personalization to open the Personalization settings. In the Personalization settings, you'll find a variety of options to enhance your WhatsApp experience. To add doodles to your chat background, locate the option labeled WhatsApp Doodle. Next to this option, you'll see a checkbox or a toggle switch, depending on your app version. Simply enable this option by checking the box or toggling the switch. By enabling WhatsApp Doodles, you're adding a fun and creative element to your chat background. This feature allows you to express your personality and make your conversations stand out. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, these doodles can add a playful touch that makes your interactions more enjoyable. Once you've enabled the doodles, you can always go back to the personalization settings to adjust or remove them if you change your mind. Experimenting with different settings and styles is part of the fun, so feel free to explore and find the look that best suits your taste. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added doodles to your WhatsApp chat background on your PC. Now, your conversations will have a unique and personalized touch that reflects your creativity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on customizing your WhatsApp experience.